Are you looking for an affordable online business you can actually start as a beginner without tech overwhelm, without huge costs, without waiting months to see results? You're in the right place. Hi, I'm Rivet, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start an online business for less than the cost of a large pizza and build something that works, even if you're brand new. Okay, now here's the problems most people face, most beginners, and even if you're not a beginner but you've struggled, you're told that you need a website, hosting, domain name, email marketing, traffic, and before you know it, you're spending hundreds to thousands of dollars, and you haven't even gotten any results. Or you're told to post all day long on social media, chasing likes and comments and hoping somebody buys. Okay, or worse, you buy expensive ads, and they are expensive. Okay, without knowing how it works, how to use it, and your budget disappears overnight. Okay, no wonder so many people give up. It's not because they're lazy. Okay, it's because the system is stacked against beginners. Okay, that's when I went looking for something simple, affordable, a beginner-friendly solution, something anyone could plug into without the stress of, putting yourself in debt to start your own online business. And what I found and helped set up is this $10 funnel system. This system, yes, it's just $10 to start it. That gives you a domain name, hosting, pre-built marketing funnels, and an email series. Okay, the multiple streams of income that you can choose from. They're built right into the system. Okay, in other words, the heavy lifting is done for you. You don't need to be a tech wizard. You don't need to have a big budget. You don't have to recreate the wheel, and you don't have to go into debt. And you don't need to spend months learning before you can even start. This is designed to solve the biggest problems beginners faced. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's duplicatable, meaning anyone on your team can do the same thing because you're giving them the same system for $10. Okay, so here's how it works in 3 easy steps. Let me take you to, okay, in 3 easy steps, this is the page that you're going to be going to. Once you go to the link below this, you will go here once you follow the instructions. Step 1 is to sign up. This is the $10 a month to secure your system. Okay, and you can sign up for free here and you get a welcome email. Okay, if you choose to upgrade here, you get additional traffic and a whole email series. Okay, and that's budget friendly too, a little over $20 a month. And then steps 3 and 4 are really the same thing. They're traffic, which you need traffic to be successful. And this is multiple income streams. These are all income streams for you, okay? And you choose which income streams you want, and I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, I send you a welcome email with a resource page to get you going. Here's testimonials from the team and my information. Okay, now this works. Now there's not a guarantee you're going to have the same type of success, but this works. You just simply share your link using the built-in traffic strategies, or your favorite method of traffic is fine too. and start building your list and earning commissions. All right. While you focus on sharing this, while you're focusing on sharing, the system does the follow-up for you, turning your leads into signups while you're spending time with your family, working your day job, or even sleeping. That's true freedom, is when you can earn money while you sleep. It's what Warren Buffett always says. And because it's only $10 a month, it's sustainable. You don't have to worry about making thousands before you can break even. Just a couple of signups can cover the costs completely. That makes this self-funding. You can actually earn commissions to pay for the traffic, and the traffic will get you more leads, more opt-ins, more commissions that you can start to take some of the commissions for profit and some back into the traffic. Okay, if you're finally ready to start an online business without all the overwhelm, something simple, affordable, and proven, I'd love to help you get started. Check the link in the description and let's build your first real online income stream together. Remember, the only way you really truly fail is if you give up. Your future self will thank you for taking this step today. Thanks for watching this video, and if this helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your why? Is it family? Is it faith? Is it freedom? Okay? God bless and take care. And I'll see you in the next video.